videos to inform you about a XAT 26 workshop which is held by Patrick100. So I scored rank 1 twice in XAT, so fairly comfortable with how to go about cracking the examination. So how is XAT different? One is obviously decision making is different from DLR. So you'll have to completely study your decision making sessions. So we'll have sessions for decision making. We'll have some practice sessions as well to give you enough practice for decision making to help you understand how to solve it. Right? We have known students who have cleared other sections but did not clear DM. People normally ignore DM, but you need to practice DM. Practice DM so that you can improve. So should not miss a call just because you did not clear the cutoffs. Verbal, the focus is critical reasoning. So you need to focus a little bit more on critical reasoning. I mean, RC is there, more 50% of the paper is RC, but there's also critical reasoning which you need to focus on. Apart, there are a few questions on vocab and grammar, not much. So people are prepared for CAT, they've done RCs, you need to tightly do a little bit more of critical reasoning. One questions are solvable but time consuming. Understand that you almost 3 hours of paper and you have to solve, I mean, you have more time per question. So questions may be easy, but could be lengthy. So you will require the time, patience to solve the questions. DI and that is different and is a part of con section. It's not the way it is there in CAT, but it's a complete different type of questions. There's no sectional time limit. So strategy plays an extremely important role about how you go about planning your paper and cracking the examination. So we'll help you in all these areas, right from giving you practice sessions to maybe strategy to other areas. All that will be part of it. Start from second week of December. The online sessions will be on weekdays post 8 p.m. So after 8 o'clock, the sessions will be held. Some classroom sessions at Thane and Dada will be there, but it will be mainly online. I mean, the course durations includes 15 hours of workshop plus 10 plus hours of practice sessions. That's what the whole course duration is. Focus will be on shortcuts and strategy, and the course will be connected by Patrick and Rochelle. So we will guide you with regards to how to plan your paper, give you maybe feedback with regards to how to write the mocks, and so on. Right? So we do have that workshop, test series, and decision making videos. If you want, you can go on the portal and purchase script.patrick100.com. You can contact us at 9821314788 or email at support@coinacademy.com. Or you can go to our portal prepare.patrick100.com where you can purchase the courses. Right? We have been training students for more than 23 years, so fairly comfortable with the exam, which includes interviews, VATs, GD courses as well. Interested? You can contact us. Right? Currently, we have courses on interviews, SAT workshop, and CAT, CET, etc. Right? Do subscribe to our channel if you're writing the MBA entrance examinations. We'll come up with a lot of videos that will help you with regards to your preparation. Thank you.